Good day, applicant A1200241.
Yes, ma'am and sir. I'm Lilibet Latuaco. I'm 37 years old. And we are four in the family, and I'm the first. I'm graduate, I'm high school graduate in National Albano High School. And I'm Catholic.
Do you have any working experience as domestic helper in the Philippines or in abroad?
Yes, ma'am and sir. I have 2 years experience in UAE, Arab Emirates, for the family, and 1 couple and 2 children. I do clean the house, I cook simple Arabic, and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I can go to market, mopping the floor, washing the dishes and clothes. For my children and duties and responsibilities, giving food, prepare their school uniform, send and fetch to school, help them in their assignment, and sometimes bring to the park.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, ma'am and sir, my hobbies are cooking and reading.
Why do you want to go abroad?
I want to go abroad because I want to have a better future for my family.
Do you have any message to impress your employer?
Yes, ma'am and sir, if you choose me as one of your servant, I will do all my duties and responsibilities. And I'm honest, patient, and hardworking. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract. Hope to see you, ma'am and sir.
Thank you and good luck.